If you need to export iPhone text messages as a PDF, however, you don't want to export all the messages with a specific contact, you can choose the PDF date range export option in Decipher TextMessage. This will enable you to only export text messages from the specific dates and times that you need. In this case, we're going to choose to only export text messages on June 24 from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. Select Export. Choose to where on your computer you would like to save the PDF of your messages. And now when you open the exported PDF, the document contains text messages only for the specific dates and times that you chose via the PDF date range export. If you need any assistance exporting iPhone text messages for specific dates and times, feel free to contact us via our Decipher Tools support page, and one of our team in San Francisco or Phoenix will get back to you. You can also download Decipher TextMessage on your computer from deciphertools.com.